Hello students, in this video we are going to discuss question number 1 to 10 from atomic structure from problems in physical chemistry for JEE Mains and Advanced by Narendra Avasthi book. In question number 1, which of the following pair is isodiapher? So isodiapher is known as same number of n minus p values. Okay, so if two elements have same number of n minus p values, then the pair is known as isodiaphers. So in option C we have helium 2 4. So number of neutron is 2, number of proton is 2, so n minus p value is 0. In oxygen 8 16, number of neutron is 8, number of proton is 8, so again n minus p value is 0. So for helium and oxygen pair we have same n minus p values. That's why for question number 1 the pair which will be called as isodiapher is option C, that is helium and oxygen. In question number 2, which of the following does not characteristics of X-ray? Okay, so X-ray can ionize the gas, this is correct. It causes fluorescence effect on ZNS, this is also correct. Deflected by electric and magnetic field, this is not correct because it will travel perpendicular to both electric and magnetic field, so it cannot be deflected by electric and magnetic field, and have wavelength shorter to the ultraviolet rays, this is also correct. So for question number 2 we have to find does not characteristics, that's why option C will be the correct option. In question number 3, the ratio of specific charge of proton and alpha particle you have to calculate. So specific charge is calculated by charge by mass. So in alpha particle it is a dipositive helium, so we have 2 charge and mass is 4 because in alpha particle we have 2 neutrons and 2 protons, and that is for proton it is positive 1 charge and mass is 1 unit. So if you take the ratio of proton and alpha, because proton and alpha, so it will become 1 divided by half, so it will become 2:1. Okay, so for question number 3 option A will be the correct option. In question number 4, the increasing order of charge by mass ratio you have to calculate. So if we take neutron, it is a neutral molecule, so charge is 0, mass is 1 unit, so it will become 0. For case of alpha, the charge is 2 unit, mass is 4 units, so it will become 0.5. So for proton it is charge is 1, mass is 1 unit, it will become 1. And for electron, charge is 1 unit but mass is very less, so if you have very less value here, the ratio will be, the value will become, charge by mass ratio value will become very high. Now if you take the increasing order value, it will become neutron, alpha, proton and electron. So for question number 4 option D will be the correct option. For question number 5, the mass to charge ratio of the cation is 1.5 into 10 to the power 8 kg per coulomb. So m by E is 1.5 into 10 to the power minus 8 kg, so you have to convert it in gram, so 10 to the power 3. Now we can write m by 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb, this is charge of 1 unit, into 10 to the power minus 8 10 cube. Now the mass can be calculated as 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 multiplied by 1.5 into 10 to the power minus 8 into 10 cube, and the overall value will become 2.4 into 10 to the power minus 24 gram. So for question number 5 option C will be the correct option. For question number 6, the Rutherford experiment on scattering of alpha particles showed for the first time the atom has. So in Rutherford experiment we have concept of nucleus, because in Rutherford experiment it is explained that the total charge or total positive charge and total mass of any atom is concentrated in the center of that atom, which is known as nucleus. So option C will be the correct option. In question number 7, alpha particles are represented by its dipositive helium nucleus. So option B will be the correct option. So alpha is basically He2 plus. In question number 8, the Bohr stationary orbit known as, so according to Bohr, stationary orbits is a specific orbit where there is no change of energy for the electrons. So for question number 8, option C will be the correct option. Energy of the electrons remain constant. In question number 9, on the basis of Bohr's model, the radius of the third orbit is, so Rn can be calculated as 0.53 n square by z, where n is number of orbit and z is atomic number. So if for any atomic number z, if we calculate r of 1 divided by r of 3, it will become 1 by 3. So r of 3 is 9 times of r of 1. Okay, so 9 times of the radius of the first orbit for any z. So for question number 9, option D will be the correct option. In question number 10, the correct expression for derived for the energy of the electron in the nth energy level is for hydrogen atom, and the correct expression is En minus 2 pi square m to the power 4 n square h square for hydrogen atom. That's why for question number 10, option D will be the correct option. Thank you for watching.